Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we will practice simple, easy conversations. Let's have fun and improve your English skills together.
Good morning, Mom.
Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well? Yes, thank you. How about you?
I slept very well. Can you make some breakfast?
Of course. What do you want?
I want bread and eggs. Okay, I will make it.
Did you finish your homework?
Yes, I finished it just now. Can you help me with this?
Sure. What is it?
I need to clean my room.
Okay, I will help you.
Where is my notebook?
It is on the table. Do you want some tea? Do you want some tea?
Yes, please. Thank you. Let's go to the market.
Okay, let's go together.
Mom, can I play outside today?
Sure, but be back before lunch.
Okay, I will.
Don't forget your jacket. It's chilly.
I will bring my homework too.
Good idea. Keep it safe.
Can I invite my friend?
Yes, but only one friend.
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome. Have fun. You're welcome. Have fun.
I'm thirsty.
I'll get you some water. Get you some water.
The bread is ready?
Yes, I just finished it.
Can I have some jam on it?
Of course. Here you go.
I need my bag for school.
It's by the door.
No, thank you, my stays, campus stays. Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome, dear.
Where is that one? Can I watch TV after homework?
Yes, but only for 30 minutes.
Me just wasn't.
Okay, Mom, I promise.
Good boy, I trust you. I want to bake cookies today.
That sounds fun. Let's do it.
Can I mix the ingredients?
Yes, I'll guide you carefully.
The cookies smell amazing.
Yes, they're almost ready.
Mom, can we go to the park?
Yes, put on your shoes first.
I found a little frog.
Be gentle, don't hurt it.
Mom, I drew a picture.
Wow, it's beautiful.
Can I show it to Dad?
Of course, he will love it.
I'm feeling sleepy.
Okay, let's get you ready for bed.
Can I read a story tonight?
Sure, pick your favorite book.
I want the adventure story.
Perfect, let's read together.
Mom, can you help me with drawing?
Yes, let's draw a cat.
Okay, everyone. Good night.
Subscribe our channel. See you next video.
Bye-bye, friends.